write it Na2 only. Na2 SO4. Understood? Yes or no? So
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
note each and everything, and memorize the polyatomic ions only. Memorize the valency and formula of polyatomic ion. This is
Okay, sir.
hydrogen. This is hydrogen carbonate. This is hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate is, this is the whole single. Hydrogen carbonate is HCO3. This is not. It is a single polyatomic ion. Hydrogen carbonate is not separate. Hydrogen are separate. Carbonate. It is only a single one. Hydrogen carbonate, and formula of hydrogen carbonate is HCO3. Valency is 1 -1. So memorize it fast, and then learn the
Okay, sir.
formulas. Okay,
Okay.
Aisha, turn on your camera. Zara, Farhan, Zara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write each of the following, the whole valency chart in your notebook.
Should we learn first or note it down?
You have to note it down first, and then you have to learn.
Okay, sir. Sir, full table note it first.
No, only polyatomic ions.
Okay, sir. Only polyatomic islands should I note?
Yeah. No,
Okay,
you
sir.
have to write the whole table and
Okay, sir.
learn only polyatomic ions.
Okay, sir.
Done? Done?
No, sir.
Noted?
No, sir,
Not
right.
yet.
Note it down fast. Farhan, turn on your camera. Safia, Sara Beg, Irshad, turn on your camera, beta. Okay. Tejas, you got your result? You got your result
Not
of
yet,
half
sir.
yearly exams? Not yet. This chart is the basics of chemistry. Okay, if you learn this chart thoroughly in a good manner, then you will be able to learn the proper correct formula of the compound, and then you will be able to write the chemical equations also. Done, everyone?
No, sir.
No,
Just
sir.
about to.
Still writing or still memorizing?
Sir, writing.
Yes,
Last.
sir. Yes, sir, last.
Okay, writing first.
Hydrogen and carbonate have the same.
Which one?
Sir, hydrogen and carbonate.
Yeah, this is hydrogen carbonate. For example, I asked you to write the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Okay,
So the
sir.
formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate will be NaHCO3.
Okay.
Done. You have to note it down that one thing here. Uh, that if here you see that sulfate, sulfate is SO4 and sulfite is SO3. Sulfite is SO3. So whenever ITE form comes, ATE has a 4 oxygen, then ITE will have 1 oxygen less. And IDE sulfide will be considered as single atom. Single atom. So if I ask you sulfate, ATE, it has SO4, 4 oxygen. Then sulfide will have SO3, 1 oxygen less. And sulfide, IDE, will have only sulfur. Similarly, nitride here, IDE, it is single nitrogen. And nitrate is NO3 -1. Its valency is -1. So what could be the formula of nitrite? IT, nitrite. Here it is not written, but what could be NO2 -1. Similarly, phosphate is PO4 -3. Then what could be the formula of phosphite? IT, phosphite.
Sir,
It would be PO3
PO3.
minus 1.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Memorize it fast.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, hydrogen carbonate is H3O3, SCO3. So what is hydrogen?
Hydrogen is H.
H.
Carbonate is only CO3. Hydrogen
Okay,
carbonate is
sir.
SCO3. Memorized? So if I ask you to write the formula of, that if I ask you to write the
Not
formula of
memorized.
sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. If I ask you to write the formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate will be sodium has valency 1 and hydrogen carbonate is SCO3. So valency is also 1. So when it is same, whether it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, so it will be NaHCO3.
So,
Understood?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Note it down.
This also.
Hmm? Yeah. Sara, are you there? Have you learned, beta? Sara,
Yes, sir.
have you memorized
Not yet.
and noted each and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you're done, please let me know. Then we shall be, I will listen it from you. And then we shall be start writing the formulas of the compound.
Okay.
Ammonium ion, hydroxide ion, nitrate. Only the polyatomic ion you have to memorize. Only polyatomic ion.
Okay.
Other you will do in the homework.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay. Yes, you also, Astar. You done?
No, sir, memorizing almost done.
Yes, you. Prashad, you done? No, sir. No, memorizing. Sahara, you memorized? Farhan, you?
No, sir.
Memorize it fast.
Sir, we should learn iron also and non-metallic element
Only,
also.
only polyatomic ion. The last one. This one.
Okay, sir.
You memorize it? Just
Yes, I memorize.
close your eyes.
Yes, sir.
What's the formula of ammonium ion?
Ammonium.
Ammonium.
Sir, ammonium is NH4.
Valency
So valency and 4, sir.
+1.
This one is
What is phosphate ion?
phosphate ion. So phosphate is PO4.
And valency?
So valency is minus, I think, 3.
What is sulfite?
And sulfate is also 4.
Yes, you. Done, others? Rishad, done? Asif, done?
No, sir. 1 minute.
Only this table you are not able to memorize. Only this table. Taking much time. Done, Asif?
No, sir. Just last 2 memorizing. Sulfate and phosphate.
Yes, you, Rishad. Memorized?
sir.
Sarah? Sarah memorized?
No, sir.
And you, Safia? Memorize this one? Yes or no? Your voice is not audible to me, Safia. Let your mic unmute for 1 or 2 seconds, then speak. Now speak. You are not audible. Not audible. Are you saying something? You have chosen different mic, I think so. So, okay, let's start writing. Try to write down the formulas of these compounds. Calcium, carbonate, zinc, sulfate, lead, nitrate. We have not written barium there. Barium is also 2 positive. Add this one, barium. Barium
Sir,
is
in
Ba.
valency 1.
Yeah, valence, no, in valency 2. Beryllium
Okay.
also. Beryllium is also Be2 positive. Barium chloride, ferric hydroxide, except the other oxide, like sulfide is only single atom, nitride is single atom, iodide is single atom, except the hydroxide. Hydroxide is OH minus. It has two atoms, one oxygen, one hydrogen, and its valency is minus. Ferric hydroxide, ferrous sulfate, aluminium oxide, aluminium phosphate, potassium iodide.
Sir, is beryllium non-metallic or metallic?
Metallic, potassium iodide. With the help of that table, try to write the formula of these compounds, okay?
Okay, so
Then I will check that how many of them are incorrect and how many are correct, okay? So this is very simple that how will you be able to write the formulas of this compound? For example, you are just going to write the formula of ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate. So ferrous has valency 2. When iron is named as ferrous, its valency is 2. And sulfate is SO4, its valency is also 2. Here the charge written is its valency. If it is -2, we don't write minus and plus here. When there is same, whether it is 2, 2, 3, 3, they will cancel out each other. And the formula will be FeSO4. But suppose if you need to write the formula of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium ion is NH4, valency is 1, and hydroxide is also 1. So that is again same, then the formula will be NH4OH. But if I ask you to write the formula of ammonium sulfate, ammonium has valency 1 and sulfate ion has valency 2.
No,
So you will cross multiply these two and you will get NH4. This is a polyatomic ion, so you have to write it in the bracket and then it is SO4. Okay, now write it. Sarah, are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Write it fast. Done?
sir.
Done, everyone? Irshad?
No,
Done?
sir.
No, sir, just one.
Okay. Irshad, are you there? Safia, Sarah Beg, Farhan? Have you noted the formulas of these compounds? Take the formula of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. That of
Yes,
zinc
sir.
sulfate is, what is the formula of zinc sulfate? Zinc sulfate. Zinc has valency 2 and sulfate ion also has valency 2. We'll cancel each other, we'll get ZnSO4. Then lead nitrate. Lead has valency 2 and nitrate ion has valency 1. You cross multiply. 1 never multiply, we don't write PB1. It will not be considered. PB, and then since 2 is going to multiply with this nitrate ion, so we'll write it in the whole bracket because it is a polyatomic ion. So this is a lead nitrate. Okay, next.
Next is barium chloride.
Barium chloride, ferric hydroxide. Okay. Barium chloride. So barium has valency 2 and chloride ion has valency 1. So you cross multiply, you will get BaCl2. Okay, then ferric hydroxide. Ferric means iron has 3 valency. Hydroxide means iron has 1 valency. You can check it in the chart that we have done.
FeO3.
So you will get FeOH whole thrice. Because it is a polyatomic ion. You have to write it in the bracket, okay? Then next, ferrous sulfate, aluminium oxide, aluminium sulfate, phosphate. Ferrous sulfate. Ferrous means iron has valency 2 and sulfate is also 2. They will cancel out each other. You will get FeSO4. Then aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium oxide. Aluminium has valency 2. Oxide has 3. Sorry. Aluminium has 3 and oxide has 2 valency. They will cross multiply. You will get Al2O3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
aluminium phosphate. Aluminium has valency 3 and phosphate also has valency 3. They will cancel out each other. You will get AlPO4 only. We don't need to write in the bracket when it is cancelled out each other. Or moreover here, we don't write in the bracket because these are single atom. Aluminium is single atom, oxygen is single atom. Next, if you talk about the next one is potassium
potassium
iodide,
iodide.
copper nitrate, and ammonium phosphate. The next one is potassium iodide.
Potassium is 1.
Potassium is 1 and iodide is also 1. So their formula is
Yes,
Ki.
sir.
Ki. Then ammonium. What is next?
Copper nitrate, sir.
The copper nitrate.
Copper. So copper has valency 2 because it is written 2 in the Roman.
Yes, sir.
Nitrate
Yes.
is NO3, its valency is 1. So you will write CuNO3 whole twice. You cross multiply, you will get this. The next is ammonium.
Next one is ammonium phosphate.
Ammonium has valency 1
Sir,
and is 3.
ammonium 1, sir.
Ammonia is NH4, valency is 1. And phosphate is PO4, valency is 3. You cross multiply, you will get NH4 whole thrice, then PO4. We don't write PO4 in the bracket. Why? Because it is going to multiply with 1. Next. Next one is
The sodium nitrate.
sodium nitrate. So sodium
Yes, sir.
nitrate or nitride?
Sir, nitrate it is.
It is sodium nitride, IDE. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when it is sodium nitride ID, so we have sodium is Na, valency 1, and nitride has valency N, a single atom, with valency 3. So it will be NaN3. Sorry, Na3N. Na3N. Sodium nitride. Okay, next one is
Calcium hydrate.
calcium hydride. Calcium has valency 1. When it is saying
Yes, sir.
hydride, so sorry, calcium has valency 2. When it is saying hydride, so H should be -1. When it is hydrogen, then it is H has plus valency. That should be written on the right hand side. All plus should be written on the left hand side. Sorry, left hand side, and the negative should be written on the plus on the right hand side.
Mhm.
So that is CaH2. This 2 will come here. Next is hydrogen sulfide. Now again hydrogen has plus 1 valency. And sulfide,
Sulfate,
IDE. It is sulfide, ID, sulfide, single sulfur atom. Cross multiply, you will get H2S. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Done all.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
So how many of yours are incorrect? Yes, you. Yes.
Sir, mine is 4 to 5, sir.
4 to 5 are incorrect.
Yes, sir.
And you, Astit?
Sir, for me, one went in, 2 to 3 are incorrect. One copper nitrate and other one aluminum phosphate.
Mine is calcium hydride and hydrogen sulfide and copper nitrate. 3, sir.
Okay, now you understood. Rishad, how many of yours are incorrect?
Sir, 5.
5 are incorrect. And you, Safia? And Sarah, how many of yours are incorrect? Sarah, how many of yours are incorrect?
4.
4. This is the way that you have to note it down. Have you noted the
Yes, sir.
answers or
Noted,
not?
sir.
Noted the answers? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the easiest way to calculate the molecular mass of this compound, like for example, you need to find out the molecular mass of sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. So how will you calculate the molecular mass of sodium sulfate? You will write sodium. How many atoms are there? Sodium for 2. Then plus. How many sulfur atoms are there? You write sulfur,
Okay.
then 1. Then oxygen. And how many oxygen atoms are there? 4. Then 2 into what is the molecular mass of sodium? 23. The molecular mass of sulfur? 1 into 32 plus 4 into 16. You will get 23 2 is 46 plus 32 plus 64. So when you add all this, you will get the mass of sodium sulfate.
Okay.
Similarly, if you need to find out the formula mass of ammonium sulfate, ammonium sulfate. So ammonium, there are the 2 ammonium ion, means there are SO4 and there are 2 ammonium ion, NH4 and NH4. This means this 2 means that it is the 2 ammonium ion are connected with 1 sulfate ion. This means this. So 1 ammonium ion contains, so how many kinds of atoms are there? Nitrogen plus hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. These are the types of atoms here. Nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. How many nitrogen atoms are there? So you can count it that there are 2 ammonium ion, Na2, NH4, whole twice and sulfate ion. So you have to write it 2. Or you can count it from here and here, or you can multiply this number with this one. Similarly, 1 ammonium ion contains 4 hydrogen atoms. So 2 will going to have 8. Or you can multiply 2 into H4. This 4 will going to multiply with this hydrogen atom number of atoms. You will get 8 hydrogen atoms. Then 1 sulfur atom